Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create or how to make a PDF from images on mobile. So first of all guys, you have to open Drive. So your phone must have a Drive app. You can open it. So we'll set Google Drive. Yeah, so this is a Drive app. Now what you need to do, you have to tap on add button, and now you have to click on Google Docs. So it may ask you to download or install Google Docs. Once you install, now you have to tap on this add button and click on images, click on image and click on from photos. Now you can choose your images that you want to make and uh, convert into PDF. So like this photo I want to convert into PDF. Fine, and you can also choose multiple photo if you want. Let me choose another photo. This photo I'm gonna add. So now once you get these photos, but once you add all the photos that you want to make convert into PDF, now what you need to do, you have to tap on this option, three dot, and now you have to click on share and export. Now you have to click on save as. Now you have to click on PDF. As you can see, click on PDF and click on OK. Our file is opening. So this is how it opens. Basically you have to customize your photo and keep your photo, arrange your photo like you want in your PDF. So right now I just added a photo and didn't arrange it. So if you want to arrange it, you have to do at your own. Once you're done with this, just click on download button to download on your phone, and you can click on any browser you want. So I'm going to click on the file will be downloaded here. Now you can open as a PDF. Fine. So yeah, hope you like it. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.